Welcome back to the channel. Why am I up at the butt crack of dawn? Well, today I have to cut trees down, but I got a friend coming over to help me, and he's gonna be over soon, and I got to get chores done first, so you know, that's the way that goes. Well, come along. I'm sure something will go wrong today. Hopefully nobody gets killed. I had to go in and put a heavier coat on. It's kind of chilly out here this morning and windy. Sorry for the wind noise. So one of the jobs we got here today, we got a couple of trees we got to take down. This is the big project, I think. It's about a 35 footer maybe, I don't know. Pretty big at the base. In a previous video a while back, I talked about how we had ash borer come through, and it killed a whole bunch of trees in my windbreak out back, which I haven't touched yet, but I can handle those by myself, I think. But I got a friend coming over with a rented lift, and we're gonna take this guy down. The next tree we got is this guy here at the edge of the driveway. It's dead or dying. Same thing, ash tree. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got power lines next to it, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to, I think there's enough branches weighing it on that side that it'll probably fall down towards the field, but I might have to get the tractor out and push against it when we're cutting. I don't know, it's not going to be fun. And then the other problem I've got is this, I forget what kind of tree this is. Somebody told me one time and I don't remember, but I've got a big crack down the side of it. And it kind of looks to me like it was maybe two trees that grew into one, or I don't know. But I think what I'm going to try to do is, I think I'm going to just cut it down here, cut this guy, and try to salvage the rest of it. I don't know if that's going to work. It probably won't, but I hate to cut down the entire tree just because a chunk of it is, geez, it's split all the way down to almost a couple of feet from the ground. So I did cut a few branches off over here recently so it doesn't fall over and destroy my old building here. Still no guarantee that it isn't. Oh boy. So I don't know, if it doesn't work and I got to take this half down next year because it's dead, then I guess I got to do that. But at least I don't got to worry about this thing coming down in a windstorm, theoretically anyway. So that's about it. I got one more. Well, I can show you. This guy over here in the distance. I don't know if we're going to get to that one today, and it's small enough I think I can handle it by myself without a lift. So I don't know, we may not waste time with that. We'll see. It's going to be great. Stick around. I'm sure there'll be a catastrophe or two.
My insurance covers me.
We're pals. We've known each other a long time. Nice.
It's a big tree.
Here we go. This tree is finally down after working on it all day.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right, so what you just saw was us taking down the big tree out there in the driveway, pushing it over with the tractor. That was a pucker factor of about 9.5. That was not fun with those power lines right above me. So anyway, I was doing a little editing on this video and it occurred to me that it's just, I've got so much material here, gonna have to break it up into 2 videos. So this will be the end of part 1. Stay tuned. Here in a few days, I'll post up part 2 of my tree trimming series. With all the dead ash trees out in the windbreak, I think we're gonna be doing a lot of these tree trimming videos in the future, in the next, I don't know, 3 to 5 years. So anyway, thanks for joining us. Stick around. I'll have the sequel to this one up in a little while. Hope you enjoy.